Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the same Apple ID and have a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud then Photos, and turn on iCloud Photos now so uploads begin immediately. Choose Optimize iPhone storage to save space or download, and keep originals to retain full files locally. Once enabled, your library starts syncing. Make sure you have enough iCloud storage, and consider upgrading if you hit limits. Once iCloud Photos is on, verify uploads by opening the Photos app and checking the All Photos view. The newest items should appear with upload progress if syncing. If uploads stall, go to Settings Photos to pause and resume syncing. That often resets hung transfers. Make sure background app refresh is enabled and the device isn't restricted by low power mode, since uploads may wait for battery above 20% or a charger. Finally, confirm other devices, show the same new photos to ensure full sync. To finish, manage storage so syncing continues. Use Optimize iPhone storage, remove duplicates, and trim large videos or move them to an external backup. If iCloud storage is full, either upgrade your plan or export critical files to a computer before deleting from iCloud. If things go wrong, try signing out and back into your Apple ID, rebooting the iPhone, and checking Apple's system status for outages. That single troubleshooting step, sign out/in, resets credentials and resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.